In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically move emails using rules in Microsoft Outlook. If your inbox feels crowded, this is a simple way to keep things tidy without lifting a finger. We'll be using Outlook Desktop on Windows for Microsoft 365, and we'll create what's often called a quick rule, built directly from an email you already have. Start by opening Outlook and finding a message that represents what you want to organize. Maybe it's a regular newsletter, a receipt, or updates from a specific colleague. Right-click that email to bring up the context menu. From there, hover over Rules and choose Create Rule. This opens a small window that lets you define when the rule should run and what it should do. You'll see options like From Sender and sometimes conditions based on the subject line. If you want to move all messages from this sender, check the box next to From. If the subject line is more reliable, you can choose the subject keywords instead. The goal here is to be specific enough that only the right emails get moved, but not so narrow that legitimate messages slip through. Think about how these emails usually look and pick the condition that consistently matches them. Next, tell Outlook what to do with matching messages. Check the option Move the item to folder.